Hey guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today's video is going to be about some new mannequins that I received. I received these mannequins from a company named BHD Beauty. When I say I love these mannequins, they look so real. This actual wig that I have on my mannequin right now is a wig that I made, but I wanted to unbox this with you guys and show you the different ones that they have to offer. This is the first one. What I'm going to do, you guys, is I'm actually going to add some earrings and add a nose ring to her nose and really fix her up. And I also purchased some eyebrows. I'm sorry, some eyelashes. So I will be putting some eyelashes on her eyes also. Some of them did come with eyelashes, but for some reason, this eyelash had got really messed up. They all come with no hair, which is a very good thing, especially when you are making wigs. So you don't have to worry about any bumps or lumps or anything. What I would do, y'all, is put a shower cap on her head if you are planning on doing a crochet, because I don't know, I just like to always put the shower cap on. Or you can also probably just do it without the shower cap down till we have the bald head. The thing that I really like about it, y'all, is they have the hairline. Anytime you are making a wig, you always want to make sure you have a mannequin or something with a face and a hairline. You'd be so amazed how much better your wig look when you have that. It has ears that look so real, like super duper real. And when I say the eyes look real, they are super real. So here this is what I'm gonna probably wind up doing to y'all is probably painting her face. It also have like the whole wig line all the way lined out, so the one that's in the back, it goes around the ears. So like I said, you guys, these are really well made. I'm going to show you, I got 3 more to show you. Here is one. This is the male one. I would really like this to you guys because theirs come with stands. I already have a whole bunch of mannequin stands, but these do come with stands. So hold on, let me open it for you. So they have like a little, as you see, I did not open all of these. Let me get this open. And like I said, you guys, it comes with a stand, so that makes it even more better. Because anytime you are using a mannequin, you most definitely want to purchase you a stand. But they already had it in here. Let me just get this open now. Hold tight 1 second. Use that box cutter to get the new one open. Okay, so we'll pop him up here. That is how he looks. Again, like I said, you guys, it does come with a mannequin stand that you put on like a counter or something like that. And you also have some wig pins. So that make it even better. You get some extra incentives. When I said, you guys, his eyes look so real. If you plan on doing like a man weave, you most definitely can use him. If you plan on doing makeup or anything like that, these are good for makeup. This is good for makeup also. So you just don't have to do hair with this. Again, you have your hairline. You got the ears, which is a beautiful thing. And it feels so real and he looks so real. Look at those eyes. So real. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you the other one. Just put this down here. We also have another one, which I think is super cute too. This is the woman. Brown skin, love it. And you see how beautiful her eyes is. She actually came with some eyebrows, like I said, eyelashes. Well, I keep saying eyebrows. Eyelashes. The other girl came with eyelashes too, but they were just not sitting right. So I just wound up taking them out. But I am, like I said, you guys, I'm going to add her some eyelashes. Again, you got the same hairline, which I love. And the way that this actual mannequin feel, I'm telling you, it feels so real. And I also made a wig already on this, but I sent it to my client. So if you are looking for someone to make you some wigs, I will love to make you wigs. I can be able to do that even if you're out of state. I can just ship it, contact me, and I'll give you the details. But anyway, guys, this is another good one. Ears. Anytime, again, you are making a wig, you want to make sure you have those ears. I am going to go in. I'm going to add her some earrings and all that good stuff. And I might do that on camera with you guys. It depends on how long this video is going to be. You see how real she looks? So anytime you are putting a wig, let's put a wig on her, y'all. It looks so nice. And that is a good way to, you guys, if you are selling wigs, buy you a nice mannequin stand, like a mannequin like this. So when you do put your wigs on, when you do sell your wigs or post your wigs, you can always put it on like a wig. And you can always put your wig on a mannequin. that makes it look so good. I can put some earrings on her, and there she is. And the thing that I like about her, I don't even have to worry about putting any lipstick because she already has a nice texture of lipstick. Like all these colors is just not too bold, especially if you are, again, trying to sell your wig or anything like that. Here is that one. I really love this one. This one is so cute. Okay, let's put her down. And we got one more out the bunch. And when I say, you guys, if you are making different wigs, you will love these mannequins, because of some mannequins just don't act right, but when they don't have hair, you don't even have to be worried about the hair. So now we have another guy. If you are thinking of doing a man weave or anything like that, you most definitely have him to be able to do it. You got your hairline, you got your nape area also. So I'm telling you guys, these are some very nice mannequins. They are sold separate. I will include the links so you can be able to get yours. I am loving mine, and I cannot wait to fix them up and make them my own and give them names and all that good stuff. But you guys, if you would love to purchase these, again, like I said, I'm going to put all the information in the video description box. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll chat with you guys later. Bye, guys.